Owning crypto is like owning a digital treasure chest. A treasure chest is a box that is used to store valuable things like gold, jewelry, silver, and other precious objects. Your public key is the location of the chest, and your private key is the key that unlocks the chest. So if you lose your private key, which is the key that unlocks the chest, you lose access to your treasury. If you share the public key, which is the location of the chest, anyone can send you any treasury. But for the key, you don't have to share it with anyone because that's what you use to unlock your chest. And if you share, anyone can actually unlock your chest. So what is a wallet in crypto? Just the way we explained on the starting of this course, for you to make transfer on your bank account, you need to own a bank account. So a crypto wallet is like that bank account, but you are your own bank. So there's no any entity that serves as the bank in the case of a crypto wallet. It stores your private keys, which is the keys that is used to unlock or lock your treasury in the case of your treasury chest. And this private keys is the credential that prove the owner of that wallet. So if you share it with somebody, that means you've shared the ownership of this your crypto wallet. And there are two major types of crypto wallets, which are the hot wallets as well as the cold wallets. The hot wallets are the ones that are connected to the internet. The example is MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, and there are a lot of hot wallets. While the cold wallets are the ones which are offline, and they are better for security because it is just there offline. You don't need to connect it to the internet. So your crypto is stored in a hardware, which is just an electronic device that stores your crypto. Examples are the Layer wallet, the Trezor wallet, as well as other hardware wallets. Your crypto wallet does not store or save crypto in it. It doesn't have anything that has to do with storing of cryptocurrency, but rather it stores your key that proves that you are the ownership of the cryptocurrency that is in the blockchain. We are going to explain how your crypto is safe in the blockchain rather than in your own wallet. What are public keys and private keys? Public key is like your email address in which you can send it to anybody so that anyone can send you a mail. Is it safe to send it? Yes, of course, it is safe to send it. Private key, in the other hand, is like your password to your email address in which give access to somebody to access your email address. So is it safe to send your password? No, of course, it's not safe to send your email password to anyone. So that's example of a private key. Whenever you create a wallet address, that is a crypto wallet address, the software that is used in creating the wallet address, in which I am going to show you as we proceed in this course, actually generate a key pair which involve your public key as well as your private keys. Your public key is what is used to derive the wallet address, which is just like the location of your treasury chest. And the private key is used to sign transaction or proof ownership, which is like the key that you can use to unlock your treasury chest to bring out any treasury like gold from it. Your wallet address is like your crypto identity. For example, if you have a username, your username is your identity in a specific website. That is the same way your wallet address is your identity in the blockchain. This wallet address is derived from your private key, and it is what you have to send to somebody to send you cryptocurrency. Example of a wallet address is what you are seeing right here. There are different types of wallet address. This one is known as EVM compatible wallet address, in which we are going to explain as we proceed in this course. Your private key will come as a large long number that is mixed with alphabets, or as a word 12 phrase or 24 phrase. And if you lose it, you lose access to your cryptocurrencies forever. There's nothing like forgot password that you can use to retrieve your private keys because you are the sole owner of your keys. So what is the analogy here? Public keys are like a vault GPS coordinates, which is your location, and then private keys is the secret combination to open it. And then your wallet is like your digital vault manager, while your address is a vault label for others to send you things. So what is the takeaway for you right in this course? Never share your private key or seed phrase. Use a cool wallet for a larger amount of crypto holdings. Use hot wallet for daily trading or interacting with dApps, which we are going to explain that later. And then your wallet is equals to your freedom, so treat it with care.